Hi, I'm Wayne Wells. This is Backyard Back Crack. This is my son Nate here. You know that he's experienced some injuries over the years, and we're getting ready to come into the wrestling season. We want to get him fixed up. Nate, have a seat or lay down right here, get comfortable. Now, the things I'm going to do, I have learned in Chinese at a Buddhist monk camp I went to many years ago. These are techniques that shouldn't be performed unless you're an unlicensed, trained professional like myself. So Nate, how you doing?
Pretty good.
Good? You're doing good. Nate had some hip issues. He had some noggin. He knocked his noggin around a little bit this year. We're gonna get him fixed up for wrestling. So here we go. All right, now you ready to get started with this? So we're gonna do a little bit of massage here, just to get him a little bit relaxed, loosened up. As you can see here, his back is a little out of place. We're gonna start with some real simple techniques, just right through the spine here. You ready, Nate? You ready, Nate?
Yep.
You sure you're ready?
Yep.
All right, here we go. Oh, that was pretty good. That was not too bad. You're still a little tense in there, a little tight through there. Let's get into this hip area a little bit. The hip area, you got to get right into it. Like, it is a big joint, right? So we're gonna start off light down here towards this area here. We're gonna give us a little tweak. Just give this a little. All right, and as we move up, we're gonna do a little bit more. Okay, so that's how you feeling? You still good?
Pretty good.
Okay, I need you to take a deep breath on this one, because we're gonna go a little bit heavy on this one. Are you ready? Hold on a second. Let me get up here. All right, you ready?
Yep.
Deep breath, hold, and here we go. All right, I apologize for that, folks. We had a table malfunction there. We had to cut the clip. But Nate's okay. I'm good. Table's good. Nate, you're doing good, right?
Yes, sir.
Good, good, good. How's that hip feeling?
Pretty good. Pretty good.
I think the added collapse actually helped a little bit. I could get a little bit more in there. So we're going to work on, you're coming into wrestling. So in wrestling, you're using your arms a lot, right? You need to get those shoulders nice and loosened up for this year, right? So we're going to start with this one right here. I'm just going to go real slow. You ready? You take a deep breath for me. Nice deep breath in, nice breath out. We're going to move this a little bit. Good, good, good. Not too bad there. I'm going to bring this arm around up here. A little bit more. Yeah, good. Nice, nice. Okay, we're going to get on this side here a little bit. Folks, this is, you don't want to do this if you're not a professional, because this has to be perfectly in line, because this can cause, if you don't do this right, it can cause some permanent damage to the arm. So, Nate, you good? This is the arm. He had a little bit of impingement going on in the shoulder. We're going to get that out right away, real quick. It's pretty, viewer discretion is advised. May look a little bit painful, but Nate will be fine. Here we go. You ready? Nice deep breath in and out. Deep breath in, deep breath out. Here we go, and go. How'd that feel?
Oh, that was good. That was a good one.
Good, good. All right, okay, now that we got the arms and the legs, the hip done, we'll move up to the neck a little bit. Just get a few little tweaks in there before we do the final alignment of the spine, okay? So, Nate, are you good and relaxed here? Are you okay?
Yep,
you still
ready
good?
to go.
Good, good, good. Okay, I'm going to just apply some pressure. Nice deep breath for me. Hold on, let me get in here a little bit. I hope you guys can see this, but I kind of got to get my arm in here. Hold on. cradle the head a little bit. Nice deep breath in, deep breath out, and there we go. That was tough. He's got a strong neck. Strong neck. That's good for wrestling. Yeah, good there. Okay, now we got the neck all adjusted. We got the arms adjusted. Now it's for the final spinal alignment. Now this is just one move, but it has to be done perfect. You can't be, I mean, folks, don't try this at home. I mean, literally centimeters away can cause irreversible damage. This is only done by a professional, unlicensed technician of backyard cracking. Okay, here we go. Nate, you ready?
Yep, let's do it.
Okay, a little bit of, just a little few massage here. Okay, nice deep breath in, deep breath out. Are you ready?
Yep.
All right. How's that feel? Get up.
Much better. Much better.
All right, stand over here, show everybody how, let's do some squats for me there. Yeah, little toe touches on the put up there like this. Yep. Look at that, all good. Good to go. That's all, folks. Idiots.
You just tore its head off, dude. It's not alive anymore.